Hi guys, it's been a long time and I wanted to have a small little conversation with you all. Today I'm here not as some kind of a parenting expert, but just as a mother of two children. If you look at our lives, yours, mine, for the past 2-3 months, it's come to a complete standstill. Now with lockdown being finally lifted in phases, it's slowly and steadily gaining some pace. And I'm sure in some months from now, we'll again be running. And a couple of us will be running very fast because of all the kind of challenges that have suddenly erupted in our lives. But at this particular point of time, I would want all of you to take a pause, look back and figure out what is the single most important lesson that life has thrown on us. As per me, I think one of the most important lessons that comes across is that of never ever take anything for granted. I mean, there's literally nothing we can take for granted, be it our jobs, be it the salaries at the end of the month, be it our parents, the houses in which we live, the cars that we drive, the roads and the freedom that we get to drive these cars on the roads. Even the air that we breathe in, nothing can be taken for granted. That's a very big lesson that we need to take home because of this pandemic and the lockdown that has happened. Now, what do we do with this wisdom that we have got on our hand? First and foremost, obviously, we need to internalize it. We need to stop being callous about so many things that are around, which we have just taken for granted for so long. And second most important thing, which I strongly feel we should do with this wisdom, is to pass it on to our kids as well. We tend to keep our kids pretty protected all the time, but I think this one needs to reach them. Now, how do we get them to appreciate these finer and smaller things in life? I think one of the major instruments that we could possibly use for this is prayers. Remembering God. And when I say remembering God, I'm not saying get your children into religious rituals and ceremonies and so on and so forth. What we could possibly do is that, in the morning, a couple of words thanking Him for all the things that they have in life. Probably end the day with a sorry if they've hurt somebody through the day. And probably sleep on a promise with the fact that I'll be the best human being possible tomorrow. I think if we are able to inculcate this in our children, it will help them be much more grounded in future. It will make them more emotionally stronger, and it will keep them all the more ready to face challenges ahead. And I strongly feel that this is the right time for us to get up and have a conversation with them. Because soon all of us will be running again, and this entire wisdom is going to fade into the cacophony. Go ahead, do it. Thank you, parents.